Leanne here from Kingdom Bloggers. Welcome to another unboxing and review video. I order stuff on the internet that has to do with Bible study, spiritual growth, just helping us be overall well-rounded Christians. And I review them here so that you can see what all kinds of cool things out there that can help you as well. And so, honestly, I think I have a problem. It is holiday season, so gift shopping, everything's on sale right now. And I just can't help myself. So the UPS and FedEx guy, he's just been on repeat at my doorstep. Should probably get him some coffee or something for the next time he comes. But anyway, today I'm going to have two. So I'm going to have this one, and then there's going to be one more video after this because I got two things from Faithbox this week. This is my regular monthly box. So I get one of these every single month. And so we're going to see what this month's goodies are. And then the other one is like a special deal they do around the holidays. So I'm really excited. I have not opened that box yet. So when I open it on video, it will be the first time I'm seeing this stuff too. So Faithbox is really great. It is a monthly subscription. You can actually get it to where it's only like once a quarter or whatever. But I mean, it's not that expensive. And so it's just really cool to get something in the mail every month, something to look forward to other than a bill, right? And so this thing is always filled with some really great spiritual growth goodies, devotionals, art, work, crafts, things like that. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have. Now, this says special edition on it, so we'll see what's so special about it. All right. Now, so every single box comes with one of these everyday faith. It's just like a little devotional for the entire month. So this will be, 31 days for December. So that's really great. And oh, look at that. Some little decor. See that on my video. It's like metal, bendy metal, aluminum nativity scene. So that'll be nice to hang up on my mantle or to set up on my mantle. The thing I love about these boxes, because every month it's something different. And obviously they theme them around any Christian holidays for that month, but it's a collection of things. My kind of guilty pleasure, as you can see back here, is like Hobby Lobby, right? And the craft stores. I love buying Christian decor. I mean, I've got that, move it over there. She believed she could. She believed she could, so she did. Little thing for like the shelf. And then I have these crosses and just, I mean, you can see all the stuff I have there. So instead of me having to go and spend like full price to buy new stuff, because I mean, honestly, I'm really trying to cut back on my spending this year. But that's what I love about these boxes, because every single month there's at least one like decor kind of item. And it could be something like this for the holiday, or it can be something that's like evergreen, a wall hanger, something for the shelf, something like that. So I absolutely love that I get a new piece of decor for my house every single month. All right, so there's that one. This looks like an ornament. Let's see here. So I got to put my spectacles on here. May lovely happy times decorate your holiday season. May warm, special memories brighten your new year. May the wonder of Christmas be with you forever. So it's a little wooden ornament. How sweet is that? So I can add that to my tree. So if you're someone who likes to collect different ornaments every year, this would be a really great kind of thing to add to your collection. So we got a little bookmark here with Luke 4:18 on the back. I love bookmarks. And we've got this here. So this is Isaiah 9:6. For unto us a child is born. I mean, you could actually frame that, or maybe just put it up on the mantle, like with all of your holiday cards. Now I see why this is called the special edition. One more thing here. Oh, here's another bookmark too. So there were two bookmarks in here. Check this out, y'all. I'm saying for the price that I get or pay for these boxes, the stuff inside it is valued at way more, right? And so you're definitely getting a deal. So this is the day 12-month 2024 planner, y'all. How, oh my goodness. And it's leather bound, and it has a zipper. And oh my gosh, I am in love with this. Look how pretty those pages are. So it's an actual full 2024 planner. And it's so pretty. Let me get a better picture of that. This is the day. So this is, I don't know if you can tell because the lighting is weird, but it's green. And this is like a darker kind of forest green, if you will. So you have your regular planner pages, to-do list. So you have the month, and then you have week by week. So that's like 1 week. And then you also have, let's see here, for the beginning of each month. So after the month one, you can set goals for the month. Each month starts with an actual verse, and you can put your goals right here. And then the next 2 pages is just for kind of journaling. Equal distribution of symmetrical proportions, equivalence of parts. That's the word of the month, was balance. What does balance mean to you? So it's just a journaling section, and how can you rearrange the parts of your life to create better balance? And so how beautiful is that, y'all? And then at the back, actually, it's all those words again and some more note-taking space. Y'all, this is wonderful. I mean, I would imagine if I bought this at the store, I mean, I was looking at some of these on Amazon. The fact that it's leather bound and the zipper and everything, I would say this thing is at least like $24.99 to, I don't know, $30 maybe. This is really, really nice. So this is why it was called the special edition. So again, you won't get something this awesome every month, like this expensive, but every month does include some sort of devotional book, an actual book by an author, or a devotional, like, 30-day devotional. Every single month you do get a devotional, some sort of book item. Every month you get some sort of craft or decor item, and then other, just other kinds of things. So it really varies. And so that's what I love about it, because I like surprises. So like my kids are grown now and I'm not married. So I don't have anyone giving me regular like surprise gifts and stuff, except maybe for my birthday. So to get this in the mail even though I'm paying for it, I don't know what's inside it. So I ordered the box, but I have no idea. So it really is a surprise of what kind of goodies you're going to get. And if there's stuff in there that you're like, I really don't need this, give it away as a gift. Right? There's always gift opportunities throughout the year, a friend's birthday, or maybe, a holiday office party, something like that. And so these would just make really great gift ideas. And to fill your gift drawer, right? I don't, do y'all have one of those where you just like keep a drawer, a cabinet filled with random things for that unexpected gift need? I have one of those. And so a lot of this goes to that as well. So anyway, I will drop all the information on how to get your own box down below. If you've gotten a box in the past that has something really cool in it, let me know. Drop a comment. And be sure to like this video and follow us here at Kingdom Bloggers. And I mean, we do so many things here, but one of the things is helping you find really great Bible study resources and tools to increase, your faith and help you grow stronger in it and learn the Bible and all the good things. So, all right, everyone, I will talk to you again soon. Have a great week and God bless. Bye-bye.